when you choose to join the armed forces, you have actually thought of the best in life. What Army taught me is to strive for excellence, and you can't taste success unless you give your best shot. प्रिय शौर्यवीर, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बधाई देता हूं कि आपने शौर्य भारत ऐप को चुना है अपने डिफेंस फोर्सेस की तैयारी के लिए। हमारे लिए भी ये बहुत सौभाग्य की बात है कि हम आपके लिए बेहतरीन वीडियो कंटेंट लेके आए हैं। शौर्य भारत ऐप के माध्यम से हम आपको वचन देते हैं गुणवत्तापूर्ण पाठ्य सामग्री एवं अनुभवी फैकल्टीज द्वारा तैयार किए गए वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स का। तो जुड़िए शौर्य भारत ऐप की दुनिया से। जय हिंद।
This video is brought to you by Shoaib Bharat. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. So, gentlemen, we talked yesterday about impact of social media on human society. It was very informative and many of you have given a good amount of knowledge for the topic. Today we will discuss the topic crime against women and women empowerment. As we all know that women are 50%, half of the part of our society, and they are an integral part of our society. As we all know, in our ancient times, the society was matriarchal. That means that the women were given the supreme power in the family as well as in the society. After that, it became patriarchal, and that patriarchy led to decline of women in many phases of life. So we will discuss that how we are empowering the women again, how we are competing with each other, how women are also competing with us, and it's not like we are supreme from them. It is that we are also equal to them and they are also equal to us. There is nothing superiority between each of us. The thing is, the time has took them many years apart from us. There is a distance between a man and woman in the society. Men think that they are the supreme power in the society and the woman will do what a man will say. That is wrong, because every human being has the right to take its own decision and work according to their own free will. And the woman shall be given that free will which was being taken away by those patriarchal people in the ancient times. So we will discuss on this, but before that we shall start with the personal introduction session, and I hope you all have prepared well of your personal introduction. So we will start from there.
My name is Asin. I am from Nagpur, Rajasthan. I passed 12 with 83%. My father's name is Dhanesh Singh. He is a farmer. My mother's name is Rupam Kumar. She is a homemaker. We are three siblings. My hobbies are read book, playing cricket, and support my family at a farm in my free time. I want to join Indian Air Force because Air Force discipline and uniform also attracts me, and I want to do technical work in defense system through this course. I want to express my views on the given topic, and topic is crime against women and women empowerment. Women all over the world have proved as dynamic, vibrant, sincere, and perfect in all fields. We burden women with domestic responsibilities, and in modern times, women are also participating in all departments. As we know that India had its first Air Force three pilot, namely Avni Chaturvedi, Bhavana Kant, and Mohana Singh. They are also inspiring for women. Because there is no chance for the welfare of world unless the condition of women is empowered. Condition of women is empower themselves. Because as we know that it is not possible for a bird to fly on only one wing. In modern time, the women are suffering from many social evils such as dowry, illiteracy, teaching, infanticide of female fetus, and elimination of girls, child, and sexual harassment and physical harassment. It is, and our government has made many and enacted laws for empowering girls and women. These are as follows. Special Marriage Act 1954, Indian Divorce Act 1969, Sexual Harassment on Women at the Workplace Act 2013, and Medical Termination and Pregnancy Act on 1971. Apart from this, our government has provided to women many rights for many rights such as right to zero FIR, rights to no sexual harassment, right to privacy, right to worker committee, etc.
Hello friends, my name is Satish Kumar. I belong to Jodhpur. My father name is Vijay Prasad and he is a shopkeeper. I did my 10th with 85 and 12th with 89% both from RBSC. The hobbies are to play cricket and listen music. I want to join Air Force because I want to serve the nation and my parents also want to see me in uniform. I love the dignity of uniform and I will have to work with the world best technology. Today's our GD topic is crime against women and women empowerment. Women empowerment to me means that women are free to make and own their choices what they want to do. They are not bounded by the society, what society and custom and protocols are. In India, the women are harassed by their partners and others. If we empower the women, we will empower the society because women estimates the half society. There are so many hurdles for women in India, and problems for India, like women harassment, female infanticide and female infanticide, girl child abuse, and so many more. If we see the schemes started by the government of India, like Beti Bachao Beti Padhao in 2015, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan for girls, and so etc. If we see violence against the women in India is very high. According to UNO reports, there are 5,000 more than dowry related women deaths in India. And if you see female infanticide reports, according to them, there is 2.5 lakhs infanticide deaths in India every year. If we see the empowering the women in India, the girls are a large amount of girls are successes in various fields. If we see like in sports, if we say Kalpana Chawla, Deepika Karmakar in sports, and Mamata Banerjee in politics also. Thank you.
My name is Bharat Pratap Singh. I am from Ajmer, Rajasthan. My father's name is Narendra Singh, who is a farmer. I completed my 12th with 62% and 10th with 78% from RBSC. My hobbies are to play kabaddi, cricket, and kushti also. I want to join Indian Air Force because I love the aircrafts and the dignity of uniform. It is my childhood dream, and the Air Force motto, "Touch the sky with glory," is enough itself to join Indian Air Force because each word in this motto filled with inspiration and honor. Let's come on the topic. Today's topic is crime against women and women empowerment. Women population is around 50% of total population of world. Reflected into Vedic and Puranas, the women are being worshipped such as Lakshmi Ma, goddess of wealth, and Saraswati Ma, goddess of wisdom, and Durga Ma for power. And also states that Yatra Nari Pujante Tatra Ramyate Devta. Nowadays, women are increasingly and gaining control over taking their decision and their lives. Women have demanded equality with men in education, politics, and inheritance, and recently in the religion to serve as a priest. We need women empowerment not only in urban area but also in rural area because we improve the women in rural area to making their voices loud, heard and clear in society. We are also need to finish the devils and demons in our society who are barrier in the women empowerment. We need women empowerment for provide women a secure environment for working. Thank you.
My name is Vikas Tara. I am from Jaipur. I have done 10 plus 2 from Hindi medium. I am quite good in cricket and badminton, and my strengths are my positive attitude. My father name is Mr. Lord Tara. He is a farmer. My mother name is Sumidari. She is a housewife. To become the part of Indian Air Force has been the dream of my life since my childhood. Our today's discussion topic is women employment. My view on this topic is like that the sex ratio of India is very low. It is 90:43 women per 1,000 men. It represents that life and condition women is are not good or nation. The main reasons of the bad condition women is child marriage, lack of education, dowry, sexual harassment, etc. The women employment means women make more powerful, increase the women status. In your government should take many steps in the last few times. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, Mahila Suraksha Yojana, etc. But these steps are not properly working due of lack of awareness among the people. Women's play role important in society in every field. Women employment part of equality between of men and women. My opinion, this topic women increase the status of the private education. Our government should make some business and private sector and as well as the government sector and security and health education.
My name is Manish. I live in Jodhpur district. I have passed 12th class. At present, I am pursuing BSc second year from Jawaharlal Nehru University, Jodhpur. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. My hobby is playing football. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a respectful job in our country. The Indian Air Force provides all opportunity, a personal lifestyle and serve the nation. Now I am going about this topic, women crimes and women empowerment. Now we are come in the 21st century, but women not equal rights. Private sector and government sector leadership, women growth economic and country. But rural area lack of education and awareness will not come in big leadership. But the national level Melania and Kalpana Chawla, Indira Gandhi, Nirmala Sitharaman and leadership of national level. Thank you.
My name is Bhavan Singh Rajpuri. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My father's name is Hanuman Singh Rajpuri. He is in a private job. I passed my 10th with 74% and 12th with 58% from RBSc. My hobbies are to listen to music and play video games. I want to join Indian Air Force because I love the liberty of its uniform and it's my childhood dream and Air Force provides us a respectful and adventurous life. Today's our topic is crimes against women and women empowerment. As you can see, crimes against women are increasing day by day, like rapes and sexual harassment and so many crimes are there. So, women empowerment is very necessary now to reduce these crime rates and other things. Governments are also introducing some acts to empower the women, and so many rights are also written for the women in our constitution. But somewhere women are also misusing it, like in the previous Me Too campaign. So many women blamed the innocent man that they have raped her or sexual harassment her. Women also face problems like less education and gender bias and inequality.
My name is Ruby. I am from Jodhpur. My father's name is Prabhuvi. He is a present PRC English in my family. I passed 10th with 86% and 12th with 81% from RBSc. My hobbies are to read methodological events and to play good crossword puzzles. I want to join Indian Air Force because I love the dignity of the uniform and also my parents want to see me in uniform. Thank you. So let's come to the topic. This is my topic: crime against women and women empowerment. As we know that International Women's Day celebrated on 8th March every year. The theme of this day: I am generation equal in our society. According to NCRB, National Crime Record Bureau, the sex ratio of our country is very low. It is 943 per thousand men, but it is represent that the condition of the woman is the condition and dignity of the woman is not good. Our government takes many steps like as बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, सुकन्या समृद्धि योजना and महिला सुशक्ति योजना etc. The main case of bad condition of women in our country like as dowry, lack of education and sexual harassment etc. Finally, I want to say about that our government should give more opportunities in every area. Thank you.
Gentlemen, we are gathered here to discuss on the topic women empowerment and crime against women. As we all know that women is an important part of our society, but still many of the community and many of the people from the society have taken women away from the new mainstreams as well as new developments. That is why there is a need to empower women so that they could also run and join hand in hand with all the people in the society and also develop themselves according to their own will. So I want to know your knowledge and opinion regarding this topic, and you may start your discussion now.
So let's start this discussion as we all know what is the crime what's the meaning of crime. So according to NCRB, women needs to strengthen the women socially, politically and economically. As they take an eye on the statistics of women per thousand men, there are only 943 women per thousand males. Which shows that women are considered as gender and not taken as a burden in our society. So to improve the status of women, there is need of an empowerment. Yes,
Right, women empowerment is very important for us because we
yes, no, sir, women are very important because in our society, for men and our society is always separate. There are also men and girls, and even if a man if a father have 2 to 3 daughters, then he was trying to abortion to their wife because he don't want to more girl. He thinking that if I have a son, then he took care in my old age. The girls are not probably able to taking my
friend at old age we do, but this 2020 and this majority of thinking is changing. Like in past we see there was domestic violence for dowry, there was sati pratha.
but now
Child
this thing also time in scheduled caste and those people who are not educated well, because this we go in a village area and see this thing is continuously
Yes, I
happens.
totally agree with you. If we see infanticide reports, there are every year 2.5 lakhs girls are killed in the town. And if we see of during incidents of death are 500 deaths of women every year.
I totally agree with you, my friend, as you mentioned that women child are not given as much status as compared to male child. As they consider male child as the next heir or as the next inheritance. That on all their properties they want to continue further, want to give only to male child, not by not giving to their women or girl child. This shows that there is a total clear discrimination in every sector of life.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you, and I would like to further add the condition and dignity of woman in our society is not good, and the condition and dignity of woman is not good. Our government takes many steps like as Beti Bachao Beti Padhao and Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana and Mahila Sashaktikarana Yojana, but that after we are unable to succeed in process.
And yeah, my friend, I totally agree with you. Not only government but some NGO also like the Nipia Fund are also taking some step forward to make women safer, like vocational hostel for those women who work somewhere. They provide their safe accommodation for its working place.
Government and NGOs both are working good, but we need a self-awareness for in our society to reduce the crime rates against women, reduce the crime rate which are happening against the women and empower them.
Yes, as my friend said, but the main thing is that why the sexual harassment is occurred and increasing every year at the rate of 6%. Why? The main thing is that if a male person sexually harassed a girl in every field like school, colleges, temple, railway stand, bus stand, that type of place, then she always trying to refuse them and always try to remove from this type of burden. So that's why the male have increase their confidence and he do again this cheap work again and again. If a girl is doing strict action against same time and call the police and rescue him, then she was safe in our society. And if male do it first time and immediately girls call police, then there was the chain of confidence is broken and he do nothing in our life again.
Yes,
Life.
you
are
right,
but our government already announced a number 112 that is supported for women harassment.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you, but so many women are not educated well in our society that they don't know the number you said 112. They can't call or so many women don't use the mobile phones also.
Yes, I agree with you guys, but we have to look why the situation are coming, why they have to call the police. We have to need work on this situation, not come again.
As you know, that movies that show the TV teaching and harassment as love, that should be censored. And also, after censored, women.
स्वरूप ऐसे नहीं बैठना है, अटेंटिव पोस्चर में बैठो, सबको अटेंटिव होके बैठो, ऐसे प्लीज ऐसे धीरे डाले होके बैठो, ठीक, कंटिन्यू.
Yes, my friend, not only the sexual harassment. Sexual harassment is a diverse type that physically, mentally, and sexually assault, and the media grab the headlines on the rape and also the sexual assault, but they not make headlines the domestic violence also, because the crime rate is against the woman is a very large amount of domestic violence further than the rape and the sexual assault.
Yeah, my friend, totally agree with you. a woman being raped. So our society look at her like she has done something wrong, not the killer, not the rapist, but like she has done something wrong.
That's why the families and the society
Yeah.
also try to suppress this
Yes,
type
my
of
friend,
thing,
yeah.
and always the girl are in a fault.
Yes,
Thinking
my
that
friend, I agree with
the
you.
girls are in a fault, and if she thinking that if this news is leaking in our society, then we got a problem in our Indian marriage.
Motivation to the boys and girls who have done or harassed that movement. They will get hype that yes, I have done nothing wrong and I can do again and again. No one is going to work against me, which is totally wrong and will affect the society badly.
That's why our system is also slow, because we know that if a single rape are held in our society, then a few of days this news is on fire in every social media platform, and after this point people are busy in their daily life routine, but the victims who suffered from a rape, she don't get justice from our system, because our system is too slow, and after few of days his person doing same thing.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. I am agree with you, but the main thing is our system is slow because we are slow because we not
We don't know whether the man had actually done the crime or not. If the girl is only framing him, if he is actually guilty or not. But if we know that the man is guilty, then there is partial court, so we can take them to their thing. But in my opinion, there should be no.
Yes, my friend, I want to further add to your topic that after the Nirbhaya case, the Supreme Court allowed the juvenile act and the POCSO act. Then we improve our system and modernize our system for juvenile victim.
But friend, I support you, but friend, we have heard that we have too much section and law against the rape and sexual harassment. But due to our system slow, we like that in against sexual harassment, the sections like 354 and 509. These sections are allowed to, if someone doing cheap work like sexual harassment, then he got punishable thing. And in the form of he doing a rape, then he was also a section like 375, 6A, 376B to 376B. So this
What does this mean? क्या बोलते हैं 375
Sorry, in this section, if below 10-year girl was raped, then he got hanged होता ना sir?
मतलब death sentence.
That's hanged to death, and more in younger than 80, then he was prison in a whole life. He was kept in prison in our whole life. So this type of law is also made in our constitution in our country, but due to slowness of our system, they don't get justice quickly, and after few of years, the system is the thing is totally forgotten, and the same person is working and doing the same work in our society again and again.
Yes, friend, you are right, and our government also working on your point, because we know that our system is working slowly, but our government taking many rules for women empowerment, and also it's working on this point.
Yes,
The government is also working, but there are too much movements that they misuse their rights and powers to, like as in the name of women empowerment, women are using
Yes,
their rights to get in the sex
The government declared women's case is day by day strong rules made, and fast track court, the cases are very easily solved.
Yes, my friend, I agree with all of you, but in my opinion, government is not only responsible, but also everyone is responsible for the civils because main reason of the civils is lack of awareness among the people, and we should have to beware of them to increase the status of women in our society.
Yes, as you mentioned in this point that it's not only the government duty, also the women's duty that they have to be the best version of themselves, right? They should have to be aware about what government schemes and what kind of the laws and the special status they are getting by the government.
Also asked, but these rights are only created in our cities. These rights and sections are not in the person not know and may not know in villages area because these education is not properly gone in our villages because even we say that in our panchayat and villages panchayat Anganwadi they have no sufficient person to introduce this type of section individually. They have only 1 or 2 person who was always carrying their office. He don't get in our society.
Yes, I'm totally agree with you, friend. The government should have to work on education where the girls should be taught about these rules and acts so that they can use.
Yes, if education is improved in our country, then girls always stand against if wrong things is happen in their family. Then girls always stand against in their family. If 40 side thing and in their daughter again think against the daughter, and if a person doing thing against their daughter, then their mother is also stand with their daughter. But now at that time, if daughter is a victim of this type of cheap work, then mother is always trying to suppress this type of news.
Yes, friend, you are all right, and our society should be understood that from freedom to a modern time also every women are supporting for development of our country. As we know that Shubhangi Patel is a first pilot in Navy, and as we know that many freedom women such as Rani Lakshmibai, everybody knows this name, and in politics, Sumitra Mahajan, Sucheta Karapnani also playing a good role for development of our country. That's our society change her social attitude for women and also understood that they are very important for our country development.
As my friend Vasudev said that the government not only the responsible for the women crimes, we have also responsible. I am agree with my friend because when our rights are compromises, then we display and together we jam the road.
Yes, my
When a rape of a woman we know have out of the home, and like some cities have displayed sympathy. We show example that NRC and CA, NRC and the farmers bills, they only stand up for their rights. When a rape of woman, we all gathering together and establish a hard law to everyone.
Yes, my friend, I totally agree with you. There are some monsters in our society who rape women. They kill them. They burn them alive. There should be some rules like Saudi Arabia, Afghanistan. So, like we can't make the rule right now, but if constitution can change, if constitution can amend, then some rules can be made. If all of our society, all of our people try, we can make some rule like that.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. Some rules some politicians relate the rape cases with religion, but the rapist is not from a religion. He is a demon in society.
Conclude.
Now,
Conclude. We had a nice discussion. Everyone spoke well, but not time for conclusion. It's more than 20 minutes. Why didn't you speak?
नहीं अभी कहा था वुमेन क्राइम खत्म हो गया
शुरू से ही चल रहा था 5 मिनट बाद now conclude. You can in your conclusion you can speak whatever you want.
The final conclusion, women improvement and women crimes, government and private sector support women leadership and all are support women and all rural area and urban area best education. Every woman's education is mostly aware and rural area crime branch mostly aware. Thank you.
After giving all your points and arguments, I want to conclude our today's GD. In our modern times, women now having a diversified career opportunity in every field and having many, by taking many participants in many social as well as other works. They are taking part actively and many, as we all know, there are many reforms and programs made by our Indian government. Women are really taking part in them, and it's not only our duty; it's also women's duty that they take full advantage of the rights provided by them, so that it will be fruitful for them and will make our country proud and as in defense sector also women are taking part actively and making their country feel proud, and it's also our duty to maintain decorum and to make other women safe by not doing any unsocial activities and etc.
In my opinion, the condition and dignity of the woman is not good in our society. To make use of the this because like age, dowry, lack of education and sexual harassment, etc. Our government take to manage, but these are not work properly because of the lack of awareness between among the people. Finally, I want to say we should have to aware them to increase the status of the woman in our society. Thank you.
So my final conclusion on that topic is that you know that in our constitution we have a women empowerment for women. So and in this women empowerment, the girls have a right to bear, right to speak, and right to do everything which we have on for doing. So the girls remember that this constitution, and she always try to strictly action against them, and if she pretended from them, then they call police and take emergency action against them, and we have also do that type of nature if our sister and our daughter are working in a midnight street, then he fully free from this type of sinful work and without of tensions. Thank you.
In my conclusion, I want to say that women is empowered too much as compared to past situations, but crime rates are also increasing day by day because many of the women are not educated and aware. So we have to aware them and educate them to more empower them, and one day we will get equally balanced society.
So in conclusion, I want to say that compared to the past, empowerment of women has been done, but it's not still enough. So we have to teach, we have to give proper education to girls and self-defense training at early age, so
country and the world. Women play multiple roles in our society, like mother, daughter, and sister, and in the professional jobs, at secretary and surgery, etc. Women also manage our financial problem in home. We need empowerment women to work of equal, to provide them equality like men, to work shoulder to shoulder in society. We also need empowerment for women because they have respect in society, but not proper respect. We addressing all women like our mother and respect every woman in society, and this thing is coming next if we get
After hearing your opinions, my conclusion is that women empowerment situation in our country is now far better than the past years ago. In every field, women are achieving great success, like space, Kalpana Chawla, in sports, Deepika Karmakar, and many more, etc. But the situation is also increasing crime rate in India. We have to do more work on that. If we see, government is also taking great steps like Teen Talaq bill has now unconstitutional, and if we see the Sabrimala temple where the women were not allowed ages from 10 to 50, but now all ages of women are allowed to temple, and they can go there. Thank you.
In my conclusion, India is a developed country. In my conclusion, India is a developed country. In my conclusion, India is a developed country. Gender equality and crime against women is the most important thing to be focused on. Our society change social attitude that women are not only a good homemaker, they also are able to support our development of our country. Thank you.
शौर्य भारत डिफेंस एग्जाम्स लर्निंग ऐप